Chapter 3 Animal Rules. What protects animals? Rules do. The government has rules about hunting and fishing. These rules help both animals and people. People who break a rule must pay a fine. Caption: There are rules for fishing. An animal can't tell people how to behave, but our government can. Government rules protect places where animals live. People who visit must follow the rules. Even people who own land must follow rules about how they use it. Map labels. Areas shown: Florida, Atlantic Ocean, Lake Okeechobee, Everglades, Gulf of Mexico. Caption: Many plants and animals live in the Everglades.